In all the world, few things have the power to dim the sun's light. Ironically, the power of the sun can now be used to control the power of the sun with Solatube's new solar-powered daylight dimmer. In a daylighting system that's known to bring bright, beautiful sunlight inside, having total control over the level of that light is now easier than ever. Bright, dark, and everything in between. The simple remote controls the level of dimming, opening and closing the patented butterfly baffle from completely light down to almost totally dark, always with even light dispersion. And the whole system is powered by the sun, with a solar panel that recharges the dimmer's motor throughout the day. Installation and operation are so easy. No wiring, no electricians, no batteries, no hassles. Perhaps best of all, now when we install your Solatube daylighting system with this technology, you get a tax credit on the cost of the entire system and installation. So you can control your costs while having total control over your daylighting. Contact us now to schedule a free design consultation and see just how much control you can have over your daylighting systems.